Quite like a mid-ocean surf, dude.
Okay, I gotta go, Finn.
We are being approached again.
We got fish. Tuna.
No, we don't need tuna. Smoking.
Alright, it seems like they're just after some cigarettes. Look at that.
Oh.
That's our second encounter with the fishermen. They're just out here doing their thing. They're pretty chill. It's all good. We don't mind. Hello, it's day 10 of our Thailand to Maldives passage across the Indian Ocean. We are still in the Bay of Bengal, just below Sri Lanka right now. We're waiting to see if we'll come within line of sight of Sri Lanka. My hopes aren't too high. Visibility hasn't been that great lately because we've been getting a lot of storms. We're expecting to have another storm tonight. It's looking like this storm is going to be pretty nasty. Also because of these storms, everything's been getting wet, like my hammock. So I just want to hang this up, let it dry out, and see if I can enjoy another sunset before we get this nasty storm. Now I just got to wait for it to dry out. As well as everything outside, most of the stuff in the cockpit got drenched as well. My hammock being one of those things. That's all good though, it should dry up in no time, I hope. It's been about an hour and my hammock might be dry. Let's check. Yes. Get in. Well, got good news and bad news. Good news, it's dry. Bad news, we've got all sorts of crap and stuff in our cockpit, and I think in the rain, something, I'm not sure what, got on it. Looks like it needs a clean. I'll give it a wash. And then I'll dry it out again. And then I'll hang out in it. Behind me right now there is an insane amount of money. This right here is a super yacht, massive, easily $200 million plus. But then to the left of it, just over here somewhere, there is some giant mystery ship. I'm not sure what it is yet. My guess is it's either a massive, and I'm talking massive tanker. My other guess is it's an aircraft carrier, because this thing is huge. Right now it could be either. I really have no clue. Only time will tell. It's almost been an hour and I still have got no clue what that big ship is out there. The lights on it have completely changed formation, and that's what's thrown me off. I have got no clue what that thing is. Just before, there were about 10, 12 lights that I could see on it. I can only see 6 now, but it still looks massive. So I'm gonna call it and say, I don't know, it might be an aircraft carrier. I want it to be an aircraft carrier. I've always wanted to see one. When we were passing under Singapore last year, we saw some massive ships. I think this is bigger than anything we saw down there. It could just be because it's nighttime. I'm not kidding, man. This thing is, it's huge. I'd say it's about 8 nautical miles away, give or take. And it's like towering above the horizon. It's insane. I can see the shadow of what looks like a big square and then lights around the edges, kind of. It is so weird. I've never seen anything like that before. I'm baffled. I'll probably never find out what it is. It's just such a weird thing. It's an anomaly. Anyway, good night. Welcome to day 11 on the ocean, sailing from Thailand to the Maldives. I am currently looking at the most southern point of Sri Lanka. It's actually surprisingly soothing or relaxing to see land. You can smell it too. It's very calming. 10 days of no land, 1 day of land, and then another 4 days of no land. I still don't know whether that was an aircraft carrier last night on my shift. I might have to look up photos of aircraft carriers at nighttime. Other than that, nothing else crazy's happened. We didn't get the storm we were supposed to get last night, which I'm not complaining about. Nice weather, no storms. It's good. This isn't a good idea. Oh, that's a lot harder than it looks. Oh, ow. There's a little bit of lightning. This might be the storm that was scheduled to hit us last night. Ivan, how are we feeling about the storm?
Pretty neutral.
Pretty mellow?
Yeah.
Oh, that was
It doesn't seem too chill though. I don't know if you'd sit down and have brewskis with this fella.
Pretty much what Ivan's saying is, this lightning is not our friendo. She'll be fine. Whoa! That was a huge one. You know, when I was little, I actually used to really like thunderstorms. I still do, but not when I'm in the middle of the ocean on a boat. It's probably one of the worst places to have thunder and lightning chasing you down. It's been a couple hours and the storm has pretty much abated. I probably scared it off. That storm didn't stand a chance. Let's just say that. We have been struck by lightning on this boat before, and knowing how bad it is, it would just be near catastrophic if it happened to us out here in the middle of nowhere. So yeah. Normally in surfing, the waves help you, but these little ripples that we have on the water actually kind of hinder my stride.
It's so slow.
I know.
Oh, that feels so wrong.
After 12 days of having not rough weather, but certainly not calm weather, we have got our first dead flat bluebird day. We've stopped the boat and we're gonna go for a swim. Oh, this is the best part about living on a boat. Middle of the ocean, nothing around, the water is crystal clear, and we just stop, go for a swim, cool off. It's the best. Hunting waves. That's what I'm doing.
Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there.